How can I fix my vape pen when it blinks when I hit it?
Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many vape pen users face: your vape pen blinking when you try to use it. Don't worry, it's usually an indication of a few manageable issues. We'll go through how you can troubleshoot and fix this problem on your own. Remember, safety first. Always make sure your vape pen is turned off when not in use or while you're fixing it.
Why is my vape pen blinking?
When your vape pen blinks every time you hit it, it's typically due to one of three main reasons. 1. Low or depleted battery. Just like your phone, your vape pen requires power to function. When the battery is low or out of charge, the device may flash or blink as a warning sign. 2. Connection issue. If the connection between the battery and the atomizer is not secure, your vape pen might blink. This is often caused by dirt or debris. 3. Short circuit. This is a more serious issue where your device detects a short circuit and blinks as a safety feature to prevent any damage or risk. Let's dive into how we can resolve each of these issues.
How to fix a low or depleted battery?
If your vape pen is blinking due to a low or depleted battery, the solution is quite simple: charge your vape pen. Most vape pens come with a dedicated charger. Plug your device in and give it some time to recharge. Remember to not overcharge your vape pen as it can lead to battery damage. Always unplug it once it's fully charged.
How to fix connection issues?
For connection issues, here are some steps you can take. 1. Clean the connectors. Use a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the threads of both the battery and the atomizer. Allow them to dry completely before reassembling. 2. Tighten the connections. Ensure the atomizer is connected properly to the battery. Be careful not to over-tighten as it might damage the threads.
How to fix a short circuit?
If there's a short circuit, your vape pen is doing its job by protecting you. Here are the steps to troubleshoot. 1. Check the atomizer. First, try to use a different atomizer. If the blinking stops, the problem was with your previous atomizer. 2. Inspect the battery. If changing the atomizer doesn't work, there might be a problem with your battery. Check for any visible damage. If you suspect a faulty battery, it's safer to replace it than trying to fix it. Remember, if you're not sure, take your vape pen to a professional to avoid any potential safety risks. That's it for this video. We hope this guide helps you troubleshoot and fix your blinking vape pen. Always remember, proper care and regular cleaning can go a long way in preventing issues like this. Stay safe and happy vaping!